You reading a book to Nikki? Good girl. Good girl, Daisy. You can read a book to Nikki. Nice. Okikabu? Okikabu? Great. You know that book well, don't you? Yeah. Very nice. You like that book, don't you, Daisy? I guess Nikki likes it too. Nikki looks quite happy. Read a book with her sister, Oni-chan. Turn the page. Oni-chan? Wow, they're pulling the big kabu, aren't they? Pull the big kabu. Pull the big kabu. Oh! Turn the page, Daisy. Okikabu. Wow! Yay! Nikki's so happy because you're taking good care of her, aren't you? Alright. Okay. Okay, Papa goes upstairs. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.